So Max here says that he invests in the Vanguard S&P 500, the Invesco Nasdaq 100, and the iShares Physical Gold. Is this a good portfolio, or should he add something else? Now, first of all, I am by no means a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice because, of course, Max, I don't know your personal circumstances. I just thought it would be fun to just have a comment on what you have said you have invested in. Now, one thing that sticks out to me, your portfolio is very heavily weighted towards the United States of America, and in particular, the technology sector of basically the S&P 500. Let me explain. The S&P 500 is practically a tech ETF at this point because the top 7 companies overwhelmingly contribute towards the value of the entire S&P 500, and they are all in the technology sector. Now, the Nasdaq 100 is even more concentrated in on the technology sector, meaning that as a portfolio, you have the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100. You're basically just at that point mostly investing into US tech companies. You have a bit of, physical gold ETF, which is pretty good. You are offsetting some of that and you are diversifying. But if you were to add one other layer to your portfolio, why not look into, again, not financial advice, diversifying across the world? Because currently you are saying that America is going to take the cake when it comes to investing and maybe a bit of gold. But what about emerging markets? What about the rest of Europe? What about the UK? What about, there's so many countries that are emerging, and emerging markets may perform better in terms of percentage gain per year than the US stock market. But again, not financial advice. If you would like to start investing and receive a free fractional share from Trading212 worth up to £100, all you have to do is to go into the promo code section of the Trading212 app and just enter my code JUBAIR.